In this video, we'll show you how to process and manage orders, issue refunds, and contact customers. Contributors with admin and store manager permissions receive email notifications for each new order. You can search your orders from the home menu by clicking Orders. You can also press the / key while any panel is open and type Orders to open the Orders panel. The Orders panel lists all pending, fulfilled, and canceled orders, with the most recent orders appearing at the top of the list. Here you will see customer contact information, the status of orders, and their payments. You can also search for an order by its order number, email, or customer name. Double-click on the order to open its order summary. The order summary has transaction details and tools to fulfill and manage the order. Click the tabs at the top of the window to find the information that you need. When you're ready to ship the order, click Mark Fulfilled. Leave Send Order Fulfilled notifications checked to send the order fulfilled email to the customer immediately after clicking Confirm. To help you and your customers track packages online, you can add a tracking number in the Tracking Number box. The carrier drop-down menu will automatically update with the carrier associated with the number if it's a standard carrier. If your carrier isn't listed, select Other from the carrier drop-down menu, and then enter a custom carrier. Also, if the order has multiple packages, enter a different tracking number for each package. Squarespace Commerce is also available as an app for your mobile device. You can use the main menu to manage your customers' orders, edit the stock levels of your inventory, and scan barcodes for tracking purposes. If you would like to view your fulfilled orders, click the drop-down menu and select Fulfilled Orders. The most recent orders will appear at the top of the list. If you mark an order as fulfilled by mistake, you can double-click the order to reopen the order summary. Click Mark Pending to set it back to pending. This won't unsend the notification email. You can contact the customer by clicking the Email Notifications tab in the order summary. Canceling the order initiates a full refund. Squarespace will automatically send the customer an email notification that the order has been canceled. Click the drop-down menu and select Canceled to view and print your canceled orders. Canceled orders can't be reprocessed. To issue a refund without canceling the order, click Issue Refund and enter the full amount. This will initiate a full refund and notify the customer but won't restock the items. You can also view a detailed payment invoice in your Stripe or PayPal account. To do this, click an order to open the order summary window. Click View in Stripe or View in PayPal. This option is available for all pending, completed, and canceled orders. If you need to contact a customer about an order, you can find their email in the order summary. This is a great way to inform customers about shipping delays, product substitutions, and other issues. For more information, please check out our next video in this series on promoting your store through social media.